GoHighLevel might be one of the most powerful ways to start an online business right now, but most people completely misunderstand how money is actually made. Businesses aren't paying for a software. They're paying for more leads and more customers. So in this video, I'm breaking down 5 of the best beginner-friendly ways people are making money with GoHighLevel, and which one, if I was starting over, I would start today. And the best part, I'm not here to sell you anything. I don't have a course, a high-ticket coaching program, or some upsell funnel. So just like the video, share it with a friend who wants to make money with GoHighLevel, and comment free course below. And when you do, I'll send you my free beginner-friendly training with all the templates, scripts, live bootcamp that show you exactly how to start landing clients with GoHighLevel. No fluff, no gatekeeping, just real systems that work over and over, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's dive in. Now, before we jump into the 5 ways, you need to understand one thing that changes absolutely everything. Businesses don't actually buy software. Think about it. When a local roofing company pays for a tool, they're not sitting there excited about a new CRM or pipelines or automation workflows. They honestly could care less about all of that. What they care about is more customers and more money. They want their phone ringing off the hook, they want more jobs booked, and they want revenue coming in. And GoHighLevel is simply the platform that powers the systems to help businesses capture the leads, follow up automatically, and convert those leads into paying customers. So here's a real life example. Imagine a plumber is running a Facebook ad. Someone clicks on it, they fill out the form, and then nothing happens. No text back, no call, no email. The lead goes cold, is lost forever, and they just call the next service provider on the list. That's literally money walking out the door, and it happens to thousands of small businesses every single day. And once you understand that businesses are really just buying more revenue, not a software, the 5 models that we're about to cover start to make a lot more sense. And more importantly, you start to see exactly how you fit into the picture. All right, let's count these down, starting with number 5 and getting to the best one, number 1. Model number 5 is SaaS reselling, which stands for software as a service. This is where you white label GoHighLevel and you sell it as your own marketing platform. So here's how it goes. HighLevel allows you to put your own branding on their software. Your logo, your name, your pricing. You're essentially becoming a software company, but without having to build any single line of code. Businesses will get the CRM, the texting, the email automations, the pipeline, the lead management, the all-in-one dashboard, everything. Now, here's why businesses will actually pay for this. Most small businesses are juggling a mess of tools. They've got something for email, they might have something for texting, maybe a separate CRM, but nothing smoothly works together and talks to each other. It's expensive, it's confusing, and stuff falls through the cracks constantly. You simply come in and say, hey, I have an all-in-one system that does absolutely everything. A great example of someone absolutely crushing this model with GoHighLevel is Andy Audate. I actually have a full interview with him on my channel, so check it out after this video. He built a massive business white labeling GoHighLevel and selling it as his own SaaS platform for agencies and business owners. He turned GoHighLevel software into his own recurring revenue stream with his business Progretta. Beginners usually price this model anywhere from $197 to $497 per month per client. And from talking to Andy, I know he's gone from $197 upwards of $799 or even $999 per month now. If you already have some context in the business world, especially online businesses like content creators, coaches, consultants, this is definitely one that you want to pay attention to. All right, model number 4 is going to be paid ads plus a lead generation system. This one's all about running paid ads, usually on Facebook or Google, and connecting them to an automated follow-up system powered by GoHighLevel. So this is what it looks like. Here's the flow. Someone sees an ad, they're scrolling on Facebook or they're scrolling on Instagram, they click it, they fill out the form, and then this is where the business fails. An automated sequence immediately texts them, emails them, and books them for an appointment. And the best part is no humans are needed. It just runs on autopilot. Now, why would a business pay for this? Simple. Ads generate customers fast. But most businesses are terrible at follow-up. Many studies have shown that if you don't respond to a new lead coming in within the first 5 minutes, your chances of converting them drop by over 80%. 80%. That's an enormous amount of money being left on the table, and you can be the person that helps solve that. Someone that did this and was making hundreds of thousands of dollars per month is Jason Wardrop. He built a very successful business helping real estate agents generate leads using Facebook ads combined with GoHighLevel automations. He niched down super hard, got really good at one industry, and scaled it from there. And eventually he ended up selling it for, I'm sure, multiple 7 figures. So some beginner pricing for this model is at least $1,000 to $3,000 per month. And again, real quick, if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button, share with a friend, and comment free course below. I'm gonna send you absolutely everything you need in my beginner-friendly training to get you started. Model number 3 is lead capture systems, specifically missed call text back and the newer voice AI. Here's the scenario that plays out thousands of times a day. Again, a potential customer calls a local business, nobody picks up the phone, the customer hangs up and they call the next one on Google. That business just lost a sale and they don't even know it. GoHighLevel fixes this with 2 powerful tools. The first one's called missed call text back. The moment someone hangs up, they automatically get a text that says, hey, we're sorry we missed you. What's a good time to chat? That way, if a contractor is hanging up drywall, a plumber is fixing a toilet, they don't have to answer every single call, but they're not losing those leads because they're following up with them within that first 5-minute window. And now the second one, even more powerful, is Voice AI, an automated voice system that actually answers the phone, it qualifies the lead, and it captures all of their information to book appointments. No human required. Again, I have a full video on my channel about setting up a Voice AI receptionist. You can watch that after this video. Think about what this means for a business. They're now capturing leads 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even if the owner is asleep, on vacation, or just busy doing the actual work. Someone who's absolutely crushing it is Connor Cahill. He's making over $100,000 a month selling this one thing, Voice AI. He does a great job of demonstrating exactly how this works in the real world. He actually uses Facebook groups, and he'll get local companies to call his Voice AI, and the Voice AI actually sells them and books them on the calendar after they basically do a real life demo, and then he sells them on the demo call. It's pretty genius. Beginner pricing for this is anywhere from $200 to $500 per month, and you can definitely charge a one-time setup fee of like $1,000. Now, this is definitely a low ticket model, but I absolutely love low ticket because of how easy it is to sell. You're literally just showing these business owners the money that they're already losing and then a solution that solves that problem. It's a very short, simple conversation. And if you do it correctly, you can set up a Voice AI that they can call and basically run a demo live and then book them on their calendar. And I have an entire video on how to set up an AI receptionist on our channel that you can check out after this. All right, model number 2 is review automation. Quick question. When was the last time that you picked either a restaurant, a contractor, or a service without checking reviews first? Exactly. Pretty much never or very rare. Reviews are not just a nice to have anymore. They directly determine whether a business shows up at the top of Google, whether a customer trusts them, and ultimately whether they get the sale. And here's the problem. Most businesses deliver a great service, but they never ask for reviews. And if they do, it's super awkward or super inconvenient for the customer. GoHighLevel automates the entire process. After the customer makes a purchase or completes a service, the system will automatically send them a follow-up text message with a direct link to leave a Google review. No more manual follow-up, no more awkward ask, it just happens in the background. And if you think about it, more reviews equal better Google rankings, better Google rankings equal more customers, and more customers equals more revenue. It's just a direct line. Someone who is absolutely crushing it with this business model is Clay Lawrence. He's making close to $50,000 a month just selling automated review systems. I also was able to get a full interview with Clay on our channel that you can check out after this video, and he talks about his entire business model. The cool thing is all these business models work, and you can pick just one thing to sell. And Clay kept it super simple and super niched. He just helps local companies automate the review process and dominate their local search results. Beginner pricing here is kind of on the lower end, between $100 to $300 per month. And I know some of you might be thinking that seems super low, and you're right, it's definitely not a high ticket offer. But here's the thing, when you're a beginner, it's super hard to sell a $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 package to a client when you have no experience yourself. So I think it's much easier to start low ticket because it's the easiest way to get your foot in the door and get that first client. Then after you get that first win, they'll just stack on top of each other. You're going to deliver results. The clients see the reviews climb, and then you can upsell them to the next service, which could be anything like SEO using a software like Merchant, building them a Voice AI agent, or even just refreshing their website for them. And again, when you're first getting started, low ticket is definitely the way to go. All right, model number 1, my personal favorite, the one that took way too long to figure out, but if I had to start brand new, this is exactly where I would start. And it's selling websites with a full lead generation system on the back end. So why is this the best beginner model? Every business owner on the planet knows they need one thing. I need a website that brings me customers. That's it. That's the pitch. You don't have to explain automations, funnels, SaaS, platforms, or AI voice bots. You just say, hey, I build professional websites that capture leads and books appointments. And now you've got their attention. But here's when the magic happens. With GoHighLevel, you can create and use one template over and over and over again, so you're not custom building each of these websites. Then you attach the website to a few of GoHighLevel's features like a chatbot, review automations, missed call text back, and then you give them a full lead generation system. Lead capture forms on the website that automatically connect and feed into the CRM, missed call text back so they never lose a lead from a missed phone call, review automation so they're constantly building up their Google presence, automated follow-up sequences that nurture leads on autopilot, and even an automated booking calendar so customers can book directly without having to go back and forth with them. And I want to make this blatantly clear, you're not selling them a website. You're selling them a revenue machine. And here's the thing that makes this model so powerful for beginners. You build one template for one industry, let's say it's roofing, and then you reuse that template for every roofing company you sign on. The hard work's done once. It's a repeatable system. And after that, it's plug and play. Think about how fast that can scale. You can build one roofing template website and go get 5 clients. And now you got a landscaper template, now go get 5 landscaping clients. HVACs, med spas, realtors, the options are absolutely endless. And each template becomes its own repeatable system. And this is definitely not theory. This is exactly how I'm making money with GoHighLevel every single month. And since I'm giving examples of real life people that are absolutely crushing it with each business model, someone who's absolutely killing it with this model in GoHighLevel is Kai Stone. He's a great example of how powerful this model can be. He's built an insane business doing templated websites and an automated system for local businesses. And again, I had the privilege of interviewing Kai on our channel. It's a full in-depth interview and he talks all about his business model, where now he's reportedly making over $300,000 per month using this approach. $300,000 per month with templated websites for local businesses. Insane. And I put this as the number one model to make money with GoHighLevel because this is exactly what I'm doing myself. I don't just sell websites, I sell outcomes. The website's the entry point that all business owners know they need, but the systems on the back end underneath the website is what really keeps clients paying month after month. You can charge anywhere from $197 to $497 per month. I found the sweet spot to be $297, then I upsell for SEO work. And the goal is always going to be the same: help businesses capture more leads, follow up faster than their competitors, and convert more of those leads into paying customers. And when you do that, and you can show a business owner proof that your system is bringing them more revenue, they don't leave. They'll start referring their friends and they don't even ask about the price. So let's do a quick recap of the 5 models. Number 5 is SaaS reselling, white labeling GoHighLevel, and selling it as your own platform for $197 to $497 per month. Number 4 is a paid ads plus a lead generation system. So running paid ads, connecting them to an automated follow-up, and charging anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Number 3 is lead capture system, missed call text back or voice AI, charging anywhere from $200 to $500 per month. Number 2 is review automation, helping businesses get more Google reviews on autopilot for $100 to $300 per month. And number 1, my personal favorite, website templates plus a full lead generation system, the best beginner-friendly model, the highest retention, and the easiest to scale. If I was starting from scratch today with 0 clients and 0 experience, just a laptop with some time, I would start with a simple templated website for local businesses and build a full automation system around it. Put together an entire offer that helps solve their problems. Niche down and start with one industry. Get really good at it. Get your first client a result. Then let word of mouth and referrals do the rest. You don't need to master all 5 models. They all work. You just need to pick one and get really good at it and be consistent and take action. That's it. That's the whole secret sauce. Now, if you want my complete step-by-step system so you can start making money with GoHighLevel, land your first clients, and start to build out these systems for these local businesses, comment free course below right now. I'll personally send you all of my training, my templates, my scripts, and access to my live bootcamp. And real quick, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe so you never miss another video, and make sure you watch this one right now because you don't want to miss it.